Okay folks, this is Chef Kevin. This is my new egg peeling machine I bought off of Amazon. And I'm going to tell you right now, because I've already used it once, do not purchase. Okay. To begin with, there's no labels on this machine at all. The little lever, I put that there. There's no nameplate telling you what voltage, where it was manufactured, any safety precautions. Let me just move this camera over. This is the bottom of my hot plate. Okay, that has a UL sticker on it. It tells you the watts, the model number, the voltage. Do not immerse in liquid. Okay. Made in the USA. Okay. Going back here. Now, the other thing I don't like about it is the fact that it's fairly large and fairly heavy. So in order to pick it up, you have to pick it up from the sides. And this is sharp sheet metal here. Now here they have the opening guarded with these plastic guards, so I don't know why they didn't put that on the sides. Okay, it came with a little lame pamphlet here, and it just gives you the basic operation. They keep referencing a video that I couldn't find. Now, what really pissed me off is the fact that they're saying this is 220 volts when I know for a fact it's not. This is a regular 120 volt plug. And I've already plugged it into the wall and it works. So I don't know why they're saying 220. Okay, this is a 220 plug. You cannot put a 120 plug into a 220 receptacle. It's impossible, and they do that for safety reasons. Okay, it comes with 4 Allen keys that they don't tell you what to do with it or what's it for. And they also give you a set of replacement rubbers. And of course they don't tell you how to change them. So I think just for safety reasons, since it doesn't have a nameplate, I would avoid it just for that. I mean, we have electricity and we have water coming into one side. How do I know this is a safe machine? Okay, so just on that fact. And if you watch the rest of this video, you'll see that I lost 12% of the eggs. They got crushed or were unusable. And I think that's fairly high because on my other machine I would only lose maybe 3 out of 60. So that's not a bad ratio there. And if you take into consideration the price of it, which is $200, plus the size of it and the inefficiency of it, it is just not worth it. Okay, keep watching and you'll see how it's being used. I had to figure this out by myself because once again, they're not telling me anything. The other bad thing I don't like is the fact that after every 12 eggs, you have to take out the tray and dump it out, or else the eggs would back up and they wouldn't come out of the chute like they should. So you have to stop this every 12 eggs to clean it out. That's not good. All right, let's watch me do some eggs. Okay, folks, this is my Vevor. That's Vevor brand quail egg peeler. I bought this off Amazon a couple of weeks ago. This is the first time I'm going to use it. I make a pretty good amount of quail eggs every week, and this was my older model. This is the one with the hand crank. Works really good, but I figured I'd spoil myself and get something a little fancier, a little quicker. I didn't realize at the time that you actually have to hook it up to a source of water using this hose that they give you. Connects here on the right side of the machine. Okay, I'm not going to use that right now because I can't set anything up that's practical right now on a short notice. So I'm going to use it dry. That shouldn't make a big difference though. The wash feature just helps you clean up the egg fragments off the eggs after they come out of the machine. So what I'll do is I'll do it in a strainer with a spray hose like I've been doing for the last few years. Before I put the eggs into the machine, you have to crush them a bit, break up the shell a bit, and this is what I do. I just put it in a plastic container with a little water. And now they're cracked, or cracked enough so that they get caught between the rollers inside the machine here. So let's see how this works out. I have 49 eggs here. Okay, so the eggs go in here. The shell fragments end up in this tray here, and the egg comes out of this little chute here. So I'm going to turn the machine on. This costs you $200, by the way, in case you're interested. Free shipping. Machine's on. Timer's on. Just going to put one in here and see what happens. Not very efficient. Yeah, that actually looks good. Apparently you have to start them on the left. That one burst. Some of these are not getting deshelled at all. Another one just burst on me. Last one. 3 minutes. Okay, so out of the 49, 8 did not get peeled, so I'm going to send them through again. Okay, there's 2 more that still didn't get peeled. These last 2 are difficult for some reason. There we go. Okay, that was less than 4 minutes. Okay, I'm going to count these and see how many actually survived. Okay, folks, so after everything has been said and done, out of the 49 eggs, 43 have survived. So that's a 12% loss. Now, that does sound kind of high, though. Now, even with the hand cranking manual method, I would still lose a few, but not the 6 that I did here. So that's the situation. I'm not quite sure if I would recommend this, especially if you're going to be doing it on a small scale, because now I think I have a rather daunting task of cleaning up this machine. So I'll tell you how that goes.